اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم سورہ بقرہ آیت 177 لیس البر ان تولوا وجوہکم قبل المشرق والمغرب ولکن البر من آمن باللہ والیوم الآخر والملائکۃ والکتاب والنبیین وآتى المال علی حبہ ذوی القربى والیتامى والمساکین وابن السبیل والسائلین وفی الرقاب واقام الصلاة وآتى الزکاة والموفون بعہدہم اذا عاہدوا والصابرین فی البأساء والضراء وحین البأس اولئک الذین صدقوا وَأُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْمُفْلِحُونَ. Righteous is not that you turn your face toward the east or the west, but true righteousness is in the one who believes in Allah, the last day, and the angels, the book, and the prophet, and gives his wealth in spite of love for it, to relatives, orphan, the needy, the traveler, those who ask for help, and for freeing slaves, and who establish prayers, and give zakat, those who fulfill their promises when they promise, and those who are patient in poverty and hardship and during battle. Those are the ones who have been true, and it is those who are the righteous. Word to word translation. Laysa is not, al-barra righteousness, an that, tawallo you turn, wujuhakum your faces, qabla toward, al-mashriqa the east, al-maghrib and the west, walakinna but, al-barra righteousness, man one who amana believe, billahi in Allah, wal yawmi and the day, al akhiri of the last, wal malaikati and the angels, wal kitabi and the book, wal nabiyina and the prophets, wa ata and gives, al mala the wealth, Allah in spite of, hubbihi love for it, zawi to the relatives, al-qurba the relatives, wal-yatama and the orphans, wal-masakina and the needy, wabna and the travelers, as-sabila the travelers, wasailina and those who ask for help, wafi and for, ar-rikabi freeing slaves, wa aqama and establish, as-salata prayer, wa ata and gives, az-zakata zakah, wal mu'funa and those who fulfill, bi'ahdihim their promises, iza when, ahadu they promise, was-sabirina and those who are patient, fi in al-ba'sai poverty, wad-darrai and hardship, wahina and during al-basi battle, ulaika those, allazina who, sadaku have been true, ulaika and those whom they, al-muttaqoon are righteous. Explanation of this verse. This verse outlines the true essence of righteousness. It emphasizes the piety is not merely about the physical ritual, such as facing particular directions for prayer and facing east or west. True righteousness lies in the comprehensive set of moral and spiritual values. Believe in Allah, the last day, the angels, the book, and the prophet. Act of charity, such as giving wealth to those in need, including relatives, orphans, the poor, the travelers, and those who ask, and freeing slaves. Establish prayer, salah, and give zakah. Fulfilling promises and covenants, patience in adversity, hardship, and during time of battles. This verse captures the essence of faith and moral behavior, where one's belief is demonstrated through action of kindness, social responsibility, and steadfastness. Reason for the revelation of this verse. This verse was revealed as a correction of misconceptions that existed among some people of the time, particularly those who emphasize external practice like facing a specific direction during prayer while neglecting the core values of righteousness.